Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can sculpt morph targets for different LODs and how we can also make the auto-generated LODs to have the morph targets enabled. So this is our morph target. It's just a simple deformation, just a random deformation, and we can check it out. It works on LOD 0, LOD 1, LOD 2 it doesn't work, and LOD 3 it doesn't work. So to edit this morph target for different LODs, we go to Mesh Morpher, we go to LOD 1 for example, and here we can also check how it looks for different LODs, right? So we can check LOD 0, LOD 2, it's nothing, and if we try to open it, it's gonna be nothing. This is an auto-generated LOD, and same goes with LOD3, right? So we won't edit these two. If we go to another skeletal mesh, here we have the same thing, but if we navigate through different LODs, we will see that we have the morph target applied to all LODs, right? So let me switch to LOD1, and we're gonna edit this a little bit, and let's see, enable wireframe. We can see our topology for our LOD1, right? So here we can customize just a little bit, just some deformation that applies only to LOD1. So let's close this. And let's save. Now, if we go to our LOD0, we will see our deformation. And if we go to LOD1, we will see our custom changes that only LOD1 has, right? So to make these morph targets work with auto-generated LOD, we need to go to persona, and we need to search our LOD information here, and let's switch to LOD2. We will see that if we go to asset details, we have LOD2 here, and we will select remap morph targets, right? And we will regenerate LOD. And if we go to LOD3, we will do the same thing, remap morph targets, and we will regenerate LOD. Cool. Now it's done, and we will see that our LODs have now, our auto-generated LODs now have our LOD1 deformation, and LOD0 it's just the default deformation. So this is how we customize the LODs for morph targets, right? We can sculpt and have each LOD have some different deformation applied to it, right? So the same goes with non-auto-generated LODs, like I showed you. If we go here with LOD3, let's open it, and I don't know, just make it something so we can see. We will apply the changes, and now if we check it out, we will see it in our preview here, and as well in persona, right? For LOD 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this functionality, and see you around. Bye.